Hey, comic lovers! Is Galactus is coming to MCU as next supervillain? After the death of Thanos in Avengers Endgame, we all are predicting that Galactus will appear in MCU as supervillain to destroy the universe. Today we will let you know about the origin of Galactus, how he became the supervillain. Galactus is the sole survivor of the universe that existed prior to the creation to the current universe. Originally, Galactus was a humanoid named Galan, who was born on the planet Ta, a paradise-like world whose civilization is said to have been the most advanced of any of the known universe of that time. However, this universe was in its final stages of collapse. Ta's civilization was one of the last still in existence. Lethal radiation caused by the death of this universe was wiped out life on nearby planets. Galen, a space explorer, was dispatched to travel through the cosmos to find a means of saving Ta, but he found none. The radiation then killed off all but a teeny fraction of the population of Ta. Knowing their deaths were inevitable, Galen proposed to the remaining survivors that they die gloriously by traveling in a starship straight into the cosmic egg. As the starship approached its destination, radiation killed all the passengers except Galen, who strangely found himself filled with new energy. Over the following millennia, Galactus built himself an immense starbase. The world ship he calls Tatu, which engulfs the Archeopian solar system. Galactus also sought out planets rich in certain unknown energies that he consumed to sustain his life. During these many millennia, Galactus consumed only planets uninhabited by sentient life forms, except for Archeopia, and many centuries passed between his feedings. At one point, Galactus threatened to destroy the planet Zenla, home of a civilized race. One of that world's inhabitants, Norinred, persuaded Galactus to spare the planet by volunteering to become his herald and search out uninhabited worlds for him to consume. Galactus agreed and transformed Norinred into the Silver Surfer. Eventually, however, Galactus grew determined to consume the energy-rich planet Earth. The Surfer rebelled as a result, and Reed Richards of the Fantastic Four thwarted Galactus by threatening to use an alien device called the Ultimate Nullifier on him, a weapon that could kill even Galactus. Galactus was forced to vow to spare Earth, and he punished the Surfer by erecting an energy barrier that prevented the Surfer from leaving Earth. Despite his pledge to Richards, Galactus returned several times to Earth to consume it, but was always narrowly thwarted. Meanwhile, he consumed numerous inhabited worlds throughout the known universe to sate his hunger, and was feared as a menace to all known starfaring races. Galactus also took on a succession of new heralds. During his last attempt to destroy Earth, Galactus had gone so long without feeding that his energies were severely waning, and a large number of Earth's superhuman defenders actually succeeded in defeating him in battle. Galactus lay dying from lack of energy, but Reed Richards saved his life. The grateful Galactus pledged his friendship to Richards and sincerely gave his word never to attack Earth again. Galactus has steadfastly abided by this oath ever since. During this visit of Earth, Galactus recruited his latest herald, Nova. Galactus was believed to have developed romantic feelings for his herald. When Nova finally rebelled as his herald, Galactus created another in the alien Morg, who ultimately murdered Nova on his own volition. Morg, in turn, was defeated by the collection of his heralds, leaving Galactus alone again. If you don't know, we are 3R Comic Con with all the information about the comic world created for comic fans. Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it now and click the bell icon next to it so that the notification of all our videos reach you first.